Glute ham developer, bent knee, hinge. To perform this movement, first start off by adjusting the swing arm so that your knees are in the center of the pads. Make sure that the swing arm is safely secure so that it does not move. To perform this hinge on the glute ham developer, keep your knees at 90 degrees. Lower your body up and down via the hips, but maintain your knees in the same position the whole time. Keep your shoulders back and your body in good posture. Perform this movement for the programmed amount of time or repetitions.